this is Connie from Cam Decorations. Quick speed test on 3 doors we're going to do. 1, 2, the bathroom door. This is a 3-bedroom house, kind of small. Don't really like working in 3-bedroom houses with all your lines and everything. It's kind of hard to work in, but the idea of this is just to get the guys who are thinking about maybe buying a spray machine but not sure if it's worth your while, just to give you an idea of how quick you can actually spray. Right, I use like inch masking tape on the hinge, on the butt hinge. Just a lot easier to work with rather than using an 1.5 or 2 inch. A lot of wastage of tape. Seeing as I'm paying for it because my boss won't pay for this type of stuff, I'm going to try and keep my expenses down because it's my money. So if you only need an inch, use a bloody inch. You know? No point wasting money when you don't need to. Right. Okay. Got my trusted paint shield. Limits. Machine's at 1400 psi. Got a new Graco 310 tip in there. Brand spanking new. Thank you very much. I'm not using my my Q-Tech Ultra Finish. Thanks, but no thanks. I'll stick in my Graco. Right, okay. So let's go. That's split a bit. Right, okay. Whoop. Okay. I do that because the spray misses from underneath there. It doesn't quite catch it all the time. So I like to do that. With my new gun, the RX Pro, I'm not too sure about spraying on low pressures. But with the high pressure, it seems to be fine. But with the Graco and it pulsates, I think when it pulses, I think you get a pressure increase. You know, I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm still getting used to the gun, but that's what it feels like. You could end up getting an uneven finish. I know for a fact with the Tri-Tech, it hasn't done it, and I've got to admit, I'm still using my Tri-Tech gun. But no, I don't notice anything like that, never have done. Maybe what I need to do is swap over the guns on the machines and see what it's like, see what that looks like. But at the moment, I have noticed that it sort of pulsates. I think I need to increase the pressure. That's right. Maybe that's what it is. maybe different gun, different pressure. Gonna put all this, let's crank that up by, I reckon by 100. That should do it. Right, let's go. Door number 2. And a load of fucking around. Ah, that seems better. That does seem better. Okay. You notice I've just done my door edge, the front edge and not the back edge. Obviously, the whole idea is that if you take out the back edge, you move the hinge. What it is, you move the door, the tape comes off the hinge, so it's something that I always do. Play the front edge, do the butt hinges. And then spray that side of the door. And then open up the fucking door. Take up the hinge. I know you're thinking, fucking hell, that's a lot of funny arsing around, but trust me, when it comes to spraying the second coat, you do get around the door a lot quicker. And it still beats painting with a brush, trust me. Alright, so I think this gun might work at 1500 psi. So say you're still getting used to this. With the bigger stick, don't seem to have a problem. You know it's quite close to the door. You don't need to stand back 6 or 8 inches or whatever not. You can stand back quite close to the door. Oh yeah, maybe 6 times close to it. Breathe in, breathe. Break that fucker in. Okay. Got my heaters on, make it all nice and toasty in there. I do like a hot block, make things dry off double quick. And plus, I'm a painter. I love my creature comforts. I like to be warm, I don't want to be working in the cold. Like in a cold poxy site, it's not a place to be on, trust me. It is bloody awful. So if I can get a bit of luxury, I'll take that luxury all day long. Right. See that? I've just screwed up the mask in there. I mean, the idea is that you're just whacking the tape on there. Right, okay. First coat always takes longer. Literally, you have to saturate the wood. So, when you're giving it second coat, you can just like fly over it. But you want to give the first coat, a decent coverage. Makes your life a lot easier on the second coat. Okay, got some splits. 2 doors down. Tiny little bathroom. Right, okay. God, I tell you, any day I prefer staying in a big house, a lot easier. These tiny houses and that, especially with the price of our money, doesn't seem to be, you don't get the benefits really. I mean, you get the benefits, it's still quicker, but big houses with a machine, bloody hell, you don't have to like cut through the work. It really, really cuts through the work. Alright, I think I've just made this tape short. I've got to fuck around with that. Let's get rid of that. Let's put this on. Okay. I tell you, I think I need to get fit. You know, talking and working takes a lot out of you. I'm wearing a mask, I suppose. I'm bloody sweating. I don't sweat at work. Right. Okay. No, I do swear at work. Otherwise I won't make any money. It's all about the money. Right. Right. And if I was pushing to jump a little bit more. Last side of the door. Maybe what I should have done is spray one door, make sure I was all set up, and then do the speed test. But this is the building site. This is what can happen on the building site. You get a new tip, you get a new gun, you got to mess around with it, get it right. You know. So I'm just showing you as it is, as it would happen on the site. No bullshit, no fanny arsing around. I'm just showing you exactly what it's like on site sometimes. You get your tip, you start spraying, and you're thinking, oh no, it's not right, you're running up and down the stairs, trust me. Still quicker than brush remover. Right. Now you might be thinking I'm aiming with the tape handler, making sure it's all right. It just makes my life easier. It makes my life a lot easier. Right. Okay.